Now we're going to do something really cool. We're going to create our own help file. And it's really easy to do. Once I have a script, in order to create a help file, I'm going to use this same construction that I used a little while ago. This less than, hashtag, and then hashtag less than. And inside of that, I'm going to use the keywords that we would put in a help file. Things like the synopsis, the description, the parameter. I'm just going to put a dot in front of them, and then that word, and then whatever I want to put in that. Now I've given you an example down here. So rather than type all this and take up your time, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to hit Control-C to copy this. And let's go over to our script here, and I'm going to hit Control-V and put that in there. So now I've just got a little synopsis section, and a description section. I haven't done any more than that. And let's see if we can make a help file out of this. What I'm going to do is make sure I save this somewhere. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and save it to the desktop, myscript.ps1. Yes, I'll replace any previous one. Now let's see if we can get help on that. Get help. Now remember, when you call script, we have to give the entire path, and this one happened to be in D desktop, and it was called myscript.ps1. Let's see what we get here. And sure enough, this is the exact stuff that I wrote in there, and it added the synopsis, the description, and so on that I had written back in here. There's the synopsis, there's the description. It did put some other things by default in it, whether I wanted them or not. So it gave me some it gave me the syntax and the name and so on in here as well. But I wrote my own help file. That's pretty cool.